morning, everyone. It's a beautiful Saturday. Yesterday at like 10 p.m. I was editing in bed and all of a sudden I started my period. It's so frustrating because I literally just came back from Europe 2 days ago. I had brought all my stuff there because my cycle has been very consistent for about a month, and then it didn't happen. Oh my gosh. Are you okay? It didn't happen on the trip, and so come here. I'm not just being a baby right now because you are a baby. It never happened on the Europe trip, which now means tomorrow when I leave for Seaside, Florida for 4th of July weekend, it sure is gonna be very red, white, and blue. Yay, so happy. Also, this morning at 3 a.m. I ran to the bathroom and just like sat on the floor because I had the worst cramps. That was super fun. But I'm here. And even though having a period low-key sucks sometimes, I love being a female, and having one in general means that your body is functioning and regulating. Today I'm going to share my morning routine for when I'm on my cycle because it looks very different from my typical morning routine. I don't do heavy workouts. Even the food and the medicine that I take is different. So to begin, I'm going to go on a morning walk. Because I live in Texas, it's really, really hot here. It's a humid hot that heats up really, really fast. So the earlier that I can get out in the day, the better it is because it's just cooler. Before my walk, I'm eating this Power Crunch energy bar. This is chocolate mint flavored, and obviously if you're a female, you know there's a saying and a whole concept that girls crave chocolate when they're on their periods. For me, that is very, very accurate. And starting off the day with a protein bar before I go do my outdoor walk. Everyone close to me knows that my favorite ice cream flavor is mint chocolate chip. So when I was on iHerb checking out and I saw that they had a new flavor, which was the Power Crunch mint chocolate chip, immediately added it to cart because they don't have this at the stores near me. 13 grams of protein in this, which is like music to my ears.
What are you doing?
About to go on a walk.
Are you gonna try to walk the whole trail?
Do you want to walk with me?
If we do the whole trails.
Yeah, we can do the whole trail.
No dogs, and it's gotta be fast and brisk.
Yeah, we can do it.
It's gonna be a workout.
Okay. So apparently my dad wants to join me, and I'm not gonna pass up on spending time with my dad. We're powering through and we're doing a long walk today. During this time of the month, I don't dress cute when I work out. If you do dress cute, hats off to you, but like I cannot. I need a baggy t-shirt. I need shorts that like don't suffocate my uterus area. We're going with a really weird mix and matched outfit. Mill Valley tee. Absolutely love this place. Blue Lululemon shorts. Catherine, do not watch this because these are literally from your closet. And my fanny pack is from Walker Family Goods, which is my favorite bag brand in general. I use their duffel bags, backpacks, and fanny packs when I travel, work out. It's just literally the best. Phone and keys will go in here.
Careful on the roads, okay? Careful on the roads.
We did 5 miles on the trail. Definitely feel ready for the day. I'm really hungry though, and my family is insisting on taking me out to breakfast this morning because it's my last full day here before I go to Seaside, back to Boise, and then LA. So feeling a little bit sad. Anyways, before I go out to breakfast, I need to take my morning vitamins. Taking vitamins, probiotics, things like that is super important to me. And especially since I moved out and started cooking meals for myself every single day, I realized the importance of putting good food into your body. I didn't change anything in like my exercise routine. I still have a really healthy relationship with working out, but putting good quality food into my body and taking the probiotics and things that I needed made a tremendous difference. So thank you iHerb for sponsoring this portion of today's video. From supplements, sports nutrition, beauty, baby care, even food, like this Bob's Red Mill old-fashioned oats, which is my favorite brand of oats ever. It's great for making like power balls, regular oatmeal, even overnight oats in the fridge. This is my favorite brand. iHerb has everything you can imagine. They ship to over 180 countries and you really get the best value for your buck. These are the two supplements that I've been really enjoying taking, and especially because I'm on my period right now. This one especially is a lifesaver. This is the EstroSense hormone balancing from the brand WomenSense. Not only does this help with PMS, but if you also are going through menopause or you know somebody who is just having changing hormone levels, this is the one you want. I take 2 of these. These are also vegetarian, if anybody's wondering. And I like to gravitate towards pills that have like that soft coating on the edge. I hate the ones that are not smooth down your throat. Second supplement that I have been obsessed with taking is from the brand CranRich. This is the super strength cranberry concentrate. All throughout high school, I drank cranberry juice. If I'm being honest, I never actually enjoyed like gulping down the cranberry juice. Some days I liked it, but then I got sick of it really easily. But this is nice because 1 pill of this is equivalent to me chugging down the glass. I've grown up always knowing that cranberry has helped with urinary tract health, and I love the fact that I heard brands meet manufacturing quality.
I found that the customer service is incredible. They offer 24/7 email support.
Supplements are all done. I'm so excited to eat breakfast. Last thing I want to say, there's a 90-day money back guarantee. Although I've never had an issue with any of my deliveries or products that I've ordered. My dad loves the protein bars, so he was very happy that I shared the wealth. Make sure to use my discount code on the screen for 20% off for new customers, 15% off for existing. I'll also leave all the links in the description to everything I mentioned today. I love working with and supporting brands that promote good nutrition, good food for your body. Alright, so we are eating at this place called Summer Revival in Dripping Springs, Texas. I have never been here. I think it literally opened after I graduated high school. I'm really excited. We are all going to try it for the first time. Wonderful. We have cute. How cute is this? This is how they tell what your table is. Also, I got like a chicken salad sandwich. I feel like with it being really hot, it's kind of like the perfect thing. All right, first off, boudin. Ooh, hot. Mmm, yummy. Cheers. So excited about this. I love dark chocolate and lavender. So my mom got an eclair. I got a lemon bar. My dad got a coffee, and he'll probably just munch off of us. Cheers.
I haven't had an eclair for so long.
It's good.
That's good. Wow, that was a whole fiasco, but the dog got picked up by his family. If I see a lost dog, I'm gonna help it because you never know, it could be your own dog. All right, for the rest of the morning, I am starting my work. I've got a lot of things to do today. I have to edit the rest of my Scotland vlog, have to film a brand deal. Tomorrow I leave for Seaside, so gotta start packing for that.